Hi everyone, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile and tap to the three lines in the top right, select the setting and privacy, go to account center, scroll down, go to the personal details. There are three options. We are select third one, the account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Tap the account that you had like to permanently delete. Select the delete account and continue. Select any option and continue. Continue again. Enter the password and continue. Delete account. Now your account is permanently deleted.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.